f of negative 1. So if f of x is 3x minus 5, I am going to do this part first. Well, we know that this is the same thing as f of negative 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to find out what f of negative 1 is. Well, f of negative 1 is 3 times negative 1 minus 5. Well, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, minus 5 is negative 8. So this can be rewritten as f of negative 8. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find out what f of negative 8 is. Well, f of negative 8 is going to be the same thing as 3 times negative 8 minus 5. Well, 3 times negative 8 is 24, minus 5, 29, negative 29. So this is going to be negative 29. All right, now let's do this one right here. So g of 2 is going to be the same thing as writing this as g of 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this piece right here first. G of 2 is the same thing as 2 minus 2 squared, which ends up being 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. So I can rewrite this as g of negative 2. Now I'm going to do this piece right here. G of negative 2 is going to be the same thing as 2 minus a negative 2 squared, which is 2 minus 4, which ends up being negative 2 again. So this ends up being negative 2.